Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and look at Paint 3D that was announced that it will not be available anymore in November from the Microsoft Store. And I mean, it makes me think of all the things that were, deprecated and changed from Windows 10 and into Windows 11. This is one of them, of course, and then we have Cortana, which was kind of replaced with the Copilot app, which doesn't really work very well. Kind of interesting to see that all the stuff that they're kind of thinking of removing. A lot of stuff also in the apps, like there used to be the app that would actually be the main app to play videos, and also Windows Media Player was kind of gone, and you look at all of that and you're like, wow, it's just interesting to see the things that they've changed. If you look at any other apps here that are on the list, they deprecated the Movies and TV app, which was one of the unnecessary apps. I mean, Movies and TV would play videos, but there's so many things that didn't have and couldn't play the extensions. They reissued a new media player, which I don't think is making a lot of people happy, honestly. Of course, Mail and Calendar, that is being replaced by the Outlook app, which a lot of people are not really necessarily very happy with. And to make it worse is that, if you look at the app for Paint 3D, I mean, they're not saying they're going to remove it from your PC. They're just saying we're going to, it's not going to be available. So if you install Windows, it's not going to be there anymore. And at least there's Paint, regular Paint in the computer. And in Windows 11, they're making it a lot better. But it's sad to see that there are things they are forcing on us, and one of them is that famous Outlook app that's replacing the Mail and Calendar, which basically is one that a lot of people kind of liked. It's not like the days of the good old Outlook, but still, I mean, it's sad. They don't seem to know how to bring things to users, I guess. But a lot of stuff from Windows 10 being deprecated, and I guess as we're moving on and when we reach that last year of Windows 10, there might be other things they're going to say, no, let's just get out of here. Still, there were exciting times in Windows 10 with all the announcements. It was fun to watch a Microsoft event back then. And it isn't really now. It's more boring than anything else. One of the features, somebody was asking me about, Windows 10 worked on everything and they didn't, remove minimum requirements or change. They did one, and one that actually impacted me and impacted a lot of people that had, let's be fair, very low grade devices. But still, I had a tablet that ran Windows 10, and it was with a Intel Atom system on a chip, basically, called Clover Trail. And these were capable of running Windows 10, but they were not very powerful. So, removing them is more of a, well, okay, my device is not getting any more updates, but not really that important. They didn't make major changes that, people just had to buy a new PC. It's really all coming to Windows 11. But it is interesting when we look at all of that. Is there a feature that you miss, or a feature that you'd like to see in Windows 11 or 10? We'll say 10, but there won't be much for Windows 10. But I think mostly is there an app or something that was deprecated that you actually miss from Windows 10? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.